Are you counting how many times I pulled this compact drawer out yet? Oh, is that 3? Yeah, I found the drill. The broken drill bit too. It fell in off to the side and it's kind of underneath the cabinet. I can't even get to it, but I don't really need it anyways. Looking at that, and I'm feeling it hitting something, but oh, I see. It's hitting this edge on the edge of that as it's going in, because I was feeling something. And see, that's kind of pushing it over to where it needs to be. I think I'm liking that. I wish this could slide over more. It might be a matter of tweaking this. In fact, it looks like the side of this drawer, is slightly moving. See that? So there might be a screw in there where I need to lift it up all the way and tighten it down. And then as it goes in, it's going to fit a lot better. I'll probably need to check this out next. I think that's what I'll do, because you remember, I want to look at this foot thing down here anyway. So before I call this good, before I put any more screws in there to set that, I want to check this out. Once I get this fixed, I'll put it back in there, drill some more holes back in there on whatever I have to do to finish it up, okay? So out goes the drawer again. Yeah, see, now you know why I tipped this rug upside down, because I can work off of this. If I had a mat, you know, some sort of drop cloth, I probably should have brought that in, and then I could move this mat out of the way entirely and bring whatever drop cloth I have, but I don't. Okay, let's set this down here like this and see what's going on. See how that's loose? And I'm not sure if there's anything that can be done with that, but we'll take a look. Jeez, got a back brace on and everything, and my back is already feeling sore. I think I'm just getting to be an old man or something. Okay, this is kind of bent right there. I don't know why they don't make these any stronger, but you see there's a spring-loaded tension goodie there, so when you push down on that, that's what lets it come back up. So this side doesn't have one, and there's a little groove in there. Let's get you in there. See that? This here is supposed to be going through that hole, and it's not, and that's what's caused that. And I look on the other side of that, see right there, it's supposed to go in there. So I'm thinking that maybe this rod is on a spring tension or something. I might have to grab that with a pair of needle nose or something and pull it back this way, so that then it'll go up through there and in through that. And I'm not, you know, I'm not quite sure, but see, yeah, this is just holding it down into there, you know, to just keep it up and down, and that's got to be in there. Now, how on earth did that come out? I have no idea how that were to happen at all. Okay, word to the wise, whenever you need tools, make sure your toolbox and everything is all set up with where you know everything is. Right now I'm kind of a little discombobulated because I'm over at my Motha's and my tools are in Hawaii where they're kept. So I had to go down to the store and get a few things, and I thought I had a pair of pliers in there too. but I can't seem to find them, and I might need some needle nose, so I went down and got some needle nose like this. These are from Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh needle nose locking pliers, it says. And maybe I can grab this in here and see if I can just even pull it out. Not even sure. Oh, let's see if it slides. I think it is gonna slide. See, I wasn't gonna do this without you watching, because I know you want to see what's going on. Right? So because I got the vice grips like this, I can adjust them until I clamp down on it. Let's see here. There. Now, it seems like it's moving, yeah. Okay. See? Look at that. Look at that. Now see where it came out. It came out of this other end. So now I've got to tap that back. There we go. Silly rabbit. See there? I've done it by Joe. It's all where it's supposed to be. See how it's right? It's right through that now. I have no idea how that came out. Okay. So now when I push down on that, everything seems to be fine. Now, I don't think this is going to come out again, but if I wanted to, I don't know. I could hit that. I think I tweaked my back or something. Yeah. Okay, I got that in there. I'm going to leave it right there. And as for the door, I thought that was kind of slick. See, this thing here, if you don't like the almond color, they give you different panels. And they used to do that for refrigerators, well, some refrigerators, and also for some dishwashers. The front panel sometimes could come off. So see, there's some screws on here. You could take this out and see how this slides out of there a little bit? You could take the top part off, and then this slides out somehow off to the side or something, and you could flip this around for a different color, and then there might be another panel on the back side of that. So you could have white, another one, you could have stainless steel and black, or something like that. So that's kind of slick. If you ever get a chance, check that out. Now as for this dishwasher here, you can't do that on this type of door, you know, but some doors look exactly like this one. At least in the old days they did. I'm talking 15, 20 years ago. Check yours out and see, or if you're getting ready to replace your dishwasher, or you want a trash compactor, look and see if they give you any options for the front panel color. Oh, okay. See there? That's how that works. And oh, now I'm laboring. Now I'm laboring. My back is just, I think I just tweaked it a little bit. Does this every once in a while. Even once I have my back brace on. That's not making me very happy. This keeps that in there like that. And you see how there's still a little bit of slop, and I think that's just how it's going to be. I don't think there's any way to tighten that up. I think it just slips there. Because I see this groove here, and it's a notch in there. So see, it's going to allow it just to flex a little bit. And then that kind of affects the door ever so slightly. I guess that's just the way how it's going to run when I put it back in there. I know this is really not going to be adjusted, but at least they give you some options. You can take this like that, and you can slip this whole drawer out of here if you have to clean it or something like that. Okay. All right. to put this back in. I got to get this done. Hey, I'm not really playing. I think I did tweak something a little bit. I think I'll be okay. But it's just bending over certain ways that's done it. I'm just not a young stud anymore, a young gun. Look at me. Look at me. Ah. Ah. Maybe you're just going to watch the rest of this video just to see if I can finish it. Alright? You don't have a trash compactor, you just want a few laughs from Joe. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe so. Ooh. Liking that. Yeah. Might have to go that way a little bit more, but this cabinet might not allow me to go very much further. Okay, where's my my screwdriver? It's right here. Oh, mackerel. Ooh. See, I got that tight to the cabinet right there. And it's still going to flex somewhat because the cabinet side is flexing just a little bit. So sometimes you might just be able to do it to the best of your ability, and that's it. Is it going to be 100% perfect? Sometimes, maybe not. Okay? That's a lot better. A lot better. It looks like that. I may have to put a finish nail in that. And say you could still pull this in and out like right here. But if you don't want to reach down there, let's say, you push on the foot, and that lets it come out. See? If you push just right, no hands. See there? But if you push straight on and straight down, it's just going to help you get out of it and grab it. If you want to do that, okay? There you go. Now, I'll show you, let's see. What am I going to show you next? Hey, if you were remembering, I'm going to put maybe a couple more screws in that side cabinet and maybe do that, but I'm not going to show you any more of that, but I still have to snap that screw off over there. I think you might want to watch that. Let's see if I can do it and you can watch it at the same time, because I'm going to have to kind of get my camera situated and work underneath it and see if you got enough light in there to see how it's done.